Good day. I'm Matthew Borden. I work as an assignee here in Newport. And my job is to settle insolvency cases and liquidate estates for the creditors. Newport is a mercantile town. Our boats go all over the northeast, southeast coast, through Europe with trade. Sometimes the trade doesn't work very well, and the merchants have to declare insolvency. When they do, they go to the court, and the clerk assigns men to liquidate their estates as assignees. And for that, they receive up to 15% of the proceeds from the sales. This is what I do. My father was a merchant, and I started out having a good mercantile house, but there is quite a need for dealing with the problems that merchants face because we have no banks, we have none of our own currency, and we do so much on credit, and sometimes credit turns against you. I have a collection of currency just so people can see the various kinds of monies that a merchant has to deal with. A merchant also has to know, besides international currency, also has to know the value of any given goods. How much salt is worth how much flaxseed, for instance. If I have bar iron and you have potash, what amount is a good trade? The merchant's life is very complex and takes a lot of research and a lot of communication with other merchants. Merchants from here to Suriname in the south to Kennebec in the north. We use the newspapers as ways to communicate with each other and the public, so the public can know who to turn to for goods, who to turn to for various services. And we need to know our geography.